Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I buttered the pan. We about to make some bread today, some sweet buns. And I already got my measurements and we about to pour it in. So that's sugar, that's salt, okay, butter, blue bonnet. And I made it again, but I put a little more butter. This is some milk, lactose free. There go my sunshine behind me. Hey boo. Always getting in the mix of things. So let me know. That's 1 cup of milk. Let me know in the comment section below. Got your active dry yeast. Have y'all made bread or baked any kind of bread ever in your life? That's some water. Even though you don't have to boil it, I didn't boil it. It was just hot. It said like 102 degrees it's supposed to be. If you Google the ingredients, it's gonna tell you, because the water gotta be warm so that the active yeast can, I guess, activate. I don't know. But anywho, that's why you don't have to just lukewarm water. But I don't drink tap water, so you already know. Your girl put that water in the kettle and boiled it. But anywho, be honest. Have y'all baked bread ever in your life? Did your granny used to bake it like mine did when I was little? Okay, look at that. Look at that all-purpose flour. Looking all fabulous. Yes, so just mix it up, knead it. The second time around, I took my ring off before I started, and I had gloves on because I was trying to be cute. This time, this was your raw and in charge. You know what I'm saying? There we go. So, your girl is baking bread, hunty. I did some sweet buns, and I did some raisin bread after that. But the raisin bread was the bomb.com. This was so good. You're going to see. So for all my West Indians, it came out like, hard dough bread? Like thick bread, like kind of like, it's fluffy, yes. But it was like thick and fluffy, like a little dense, like heavy kind of bread. Basically, so bread to have like with your porridge, bread to have like with your Ovaltine, your Milo, your cornmeal, your porridge, your hot chocolate, or your tea, But whatever you like to eat in the morning, honey, your bread and cheese. We had a lot of bread, butter, and cheese, a lot of bread and jam. And she liked grape, I like strawberry. So you already know, we was eating and yamming it up. But I didn't want to talk too much in this, but I have to because I have to let you know, right? The ingredients and how to do it. So I knead it for like a good half an hour. Then basically kneading is like punching it, doing what I'm doing right now. Mixing it up, right? I didn't put eggs, and I didn't put, what else? Oil. Some people put oil, like olive oil. I'm not sure, but I put butter in place of that. And then you let it rise, basically cover it in a pan and let it rise, like fluff up for like 2 hours. I did 2 hours, but next time I did 3 hours. And it was amazing, fluffy and everything. I'm gonna show you that in my next video, or I'm gonna just do a short because I ain't trying to do no next video. This was just Lord. So I was just picking it off, and then I started washing, and then she started helping me. But I just put some butter on the top. I don't know why, because it's my first time. It's my first time, and I saw people doing it on YouTube, and I'm like, let me butter the top, and I'm like, why I'm buttering the top? Okay, what am I looking for? Yeah. I don't know. But I was just walking around that kitchen, boy, I tell you. See, she helping me. Mommy's little helper. She kept saying, ew, yucky. She thought it was so gross, but she's just so darn cute. But I was mixing up some more. Once again. And I covered it. Right? But I believe that this clip is from the short that I showed you. Because you see, I had to speed it up. But because I didn't know I put this in, it's all right. That's how it looked when oh my goodness, when I rolled it up. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So after I did all of that, I put it back in the pan and I put it in the oven to bake. But at the end of the day, this is just a sped up process because this was the short, which I did not know that I inserted, like I told you. So we're going to slow it back down and go to regular scheduled program. Anywho, so I covered it. And what I did was I let it sit up like rise, which is like sit basically in the kitchen in a pan, covered. I would recommend you use a plastic wrap, like a saran wrap, but I didn't have that. So use that because at the end of the day, it made like a tough, like the top got like tough. So what you need to do is just put that plastic on. That's what I did the second time. I put it in a Ziploc bag, and you already know she's back again with this, wanting me to pick up, but mommy cannot pick you up right now. So her daycare has these little babies, and she swears she's a little baby. See what I was talking about? So I'm gonna stick my finger in there to show you. But here we go. See? So it rose again. It got even higher. You see what I'm saying? So when I push it down, if you notice the top, it have like a little thickness on the top, like hard, kinda. See? But it's soft underneath. So I think because I didn't cover it with the what you call it, plastic, I think that's why I did that. But at the end of the day, this is my first time, so this is my bread. I ate it. It came out just fine, but I thought it was going to mess it up. But it didn't. But for everyone that this is your first time doing it, just use plastic, saran wrap, and seal it. Seal in the moisture. That's what I was missing. But it didn't, you don't taste the hardness, but that made the top, I guess, like, rough or whatever. Like stiff, it made the top. But I like my bread soft. So at the end of the day, some people like their bread hard, feeling like toast bread. I don't like that. Like that stuff I be watching on YouTube when they making that sourdough bread. That stuff is hard. I don't eat that. I cannot. Ugh. Anyway, but for people that like it, kudos to you. I don't mind. So I buttered the pan, and then I transferred the buns from that pan with the flour to the buttered pan, obviously. You know what I'm saying? So it don't stick. And they get that nice golden brown on the bottom. So I was mixing it up again for no reason, just feeling it to make sure it was nice and soft, the way I like it. And I'll put it in there. So don't mind my serious face. This is like 11 o'clock at night. I don't even understand what I'm doing. I let it rise for the 2 hours, but then, I had to do mommy jobs. I had to do laundry. I had to take care of Nova, and the time just was flying. So this takes a long time. I don't care what nobody tell you, okay? So I didn't show you that I rolled it with the rolling pin. I flattened it, and then I roll it in a ball again, and then let it rise again for like a next half an hour to 45 minutes to get more fluffier. So that's what you got to do. So, oh Lord, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm going to put these in the oven so they can get really nice and brown and rise. They only bake for like a good half an hour, so it didn't really take long to bake once you put it in the oven, which to me was fantastic because your girl was starving. I had the grape and the strawberry jelly on hand. That's just me checking it and being a creep.
How crazy this.
But how it's looking. Ooh, look at that. Look at that rise, honey. It has risen. Okay, on the 7th day, he has risen. Thank you. Ooh, hallelujah. Oh my goodness. Y'all gotta excuse me because she is literally 2 feet away from me, or less than 2 feet away from me. She got this toy that she's laying on, and for the life of me, I will not remove it from under her because she's taking a nap. For all my moms out there and my fathers, y'all know when these little people are taking naps, you gotta let them take a nap, honey. I don't care what time of day it is, honey. Let them take a nap, for God's sakes. Ooh, Lord of mercy. Let them take a nap. So it's going to keep coming on, and I'm going to just keep, disappearing and coming back. Because I don't want to get copywritten. Y'all already know YouTube don't be playing. So look at this golden brown. I put butter on it. And then we're going to tear it. We're going to rip it open. Ooh, Lord. Oh, I'm getting a little fat. PHAT. Okay, watch yourself. Yo, it was so hot. Oh my God, what was I trying to do? Ooh. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Lord of mercy. Why did I do that? I was so hungry. I didn't care. It was hot though. Look at it. I was trying to let you see the smoke, the steam that was coming from it. You see what I was talking about? It was thick. So it came out like, kind of like, not biscuits. Yeah, it came out like biscuits. Oh Lord. My goodness. Look at the bottom. Ooh, honey. Nice and golden. That's right. Ain't no burning over here. Yes, hunty. Oh, boy. I don't know what I was trying to do, but it was too hot. It don't look like tennis roll for my Guyanese, my GT massive. Yes, Bana, it's looking like some tennis roll, boy. But it was good. It don't taste like it though, but you done know. It tastes amazing. For true, for true. But my next batch, I did some raisin bread, some sweet buns, like what they have like Easter. It's coming up anyway because my birthday is around Easter, so after Easter. But yes, hunty, let me tell you, your girl was killing it. I put the butter and I had that. Man, listen, I had like 3 of them before I went to sleep. I'm laughing because I was like, boy, this thing hot, boy. Oof. So there we go. So y'all already know it's hard holding the camera and buttering bread, and I don't understand. But sometimes I have help. I got my cameraman, but sometimes I don't. So tonight I didn't. So it was me solo dolo doing this. So I was like, let me just put this camera down, boy. Why I'm holding it? Can you tell me why was I holding it? Yeah, I don't know. Oh boy. But anyway, guys, if y'all stayed so long, thank you. I thank you. I show my gratitude to you. And I hope all is well on your side. And, you know what I'm saying? I'm sending you blessings. And thank you. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. And to all my OGs and my newbies. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to my channel. All my soul family. I love y'all. Send y'all gratitude and love always. And all my other people, y'all already know how I feel about you. That is in your lower vibrational selves. Y'all stay there. But I love it. This was so good. I'm so proud of myself. I'm telling you. To come from where I came from and teach myself, look, now I'm baking bread. I mean, come on, look at it. Look at the softness. Oh, just fluffy. Let me tell you something. I was so hungry. See that belly? Yes. I was eating, proper eating, okay? Because it's mine. But I love it. The next batch, oh my God, it was so good. I had to give it to my neighbors. I gave my 2 neighbors, and they loved it. They told me I need to sell it, so I'm thinking about it, okay? I need to start baking, okay? I need to open a bakery. Thumbs up for real. I gave it to Nova. She tore that sucker up. I ain't had time to record her because we was eating, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.